I'd just like to welcome you all to the Seeds for the Future forum today. This is the first time that ARBOR and ANPC have had a collaborative approach to a forum and workshop, and probably won't be the last, hopefully. I think it's a great opportunity, and it's a great opportunity to bring all these people together. And I hope you all get something from the day. We'll talk about that more later. First of all, I'd just like to acknowledge that today that we're meeting for this forum on the lands of the traditional owners, the Gadigal clan of the Aurora Nation. I'd also like us to recognise that all the lands and the species and the issues that we will be talking about today and that we will be discussing were managed for many thousands of generations by those First Nations peoples. It's also highly pertinent that we acknowledge that the issues and species we're discussing today and beyond were not just those of the ecological interest of these people, but they were also part of the basis of their economy. And I think there's a lesson we can learn there, and it's very timely that today that we're talking about that knowledge and vision and the wisdom and imaginations that we can bring to this, that perhaps that we can look at a native seed industry in this country and that we can grow it as part of our economy, but also obviously that seed is part of the natural ecology, but the two are intrinsically linked. I'd also like to acknowledge our sponsors. As I said, we're co-hosted with ARBOR and the Australian Network for Plant Conservation. The gold sponsor is Toola Restoration Services. Our silver sponsors is Greater Sydney Landcare Network and Greening Australia. Our bronze sponsors is Bushland and Rainforest Restoration and Consulting, Allstake Supply, Apunga Native Nursery and Ecological Management, Arbour Green Landscape Products, and Garden City Plastics.